Okay, so first off, I got my homemade English muffin. It's not too bad. It's still spongy. And we are just gonna toast this first. Okay, I got my oven here. Just toast, medium heat. Just put my English muffin up. Oh, actually down. And then do that. And then if you have a fresh lobster, then we're gonna prepare our fresh lobster right now. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna basically split this in half, and then we are gonna bake it for more flavor, basically. So I'm just gonna get rid of the gunks inside. All right, next put this on a baking sheet, and then we're gonna bake it after our thing is done. But in the meantime, we are gonna do something else. Next thing we're gonna do is salt our lobster tail slightly. Then get some black pepper and add a little bit. Next, let's add some paprika. Just a little bit. Okay, our English muffin is done. Let's pick that up. And if you want, you can add some cayenne pepper or whatever. Okay, I have my English muffin plated. Now we are gonna broil our lobster tail. So I put some butter on it, about half tablespoon each. And now let's go. Broil medium at 9 minutes. No, 8 minutes, and then we'll check on it. In the meantime, let's go make our sauce. Okay, I have a boiling pot of water. Well, it's actually simmering. So what we're gonna do is drop in our metal bowl. We have 2 egg yolks in it, separated from egg whites, and we are just gonna whisk this for 2 minutes and not stop. Okay, so it's been about a minute. I have a lemon slice. We're just gonna squeeze a little bit around. You want maybe, let's say this is around half a teaspoon. Now this will help emulsify our butter in a minute. Okay, so our 2 minutes is done. Now I have cold butter. 6.5 tablespoons, cut up into smaller chunks, and slowly we are gonna add in the butter so it emulsifies properly. We just keep stirring it, and once the butter is done melted, add another piece in, and then remove it off the fire. And once that dissolves, add it back in, and keep repeating the process until all your butter is done. Okay, I actually couldn't find my thermos, so what I'm just gonna do is cover it with a lid like this. We're gonna start our poached egg. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of whatever, screw that. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is I have 2 eggs right here. Crack them into each bowl. And what we're gonna do is we are just gonna slowly add this in. It's better to use a non-stick pot so the egg won't stick on the bottom. Just like that. Okay. Cover it, set a timer for 6 minutes. And now we are gonna slice our lobster tail. Okay, I'm gonna get a lobster tail. Now we are gonna just pull this out. If it comes out really easy, that's when you know it's done. I got still the lemon slice, just gonna squeeze some acidity in it. I'm gonna slice this on an angle. We're just gonna do forgot to press record. But okay, let me just recap what I did. I put down the 2 English muffins, put an even layer of lobster meat, put the poached egg on top, and then put the sauce on top, and then just garnished with parsley and paprika. Oh my god. Well, let's go taste test. Okay. Here is our final.